Welcome to 2-4 homework. We're on page 133 and I'm going to start with problem number 19. I'm going to write the complex number in standard form. So square root of negative 0.09. Well, that's I times the square root of 0.09, which is, I believe, 0.3. Plug it into the calculator. 0.09, and mine I have to type it in and hit the square root button afterwards. 0.3. So I'd call that 0.3i. Number 25. We've got to just add and subtract or combine like terms, distribute negative signs, all that good stuff. So I'm going to use a different color marker to distribute this negative. So it's 13i minus 14 plus 7i. So that'll be 20i minus 14. Number 27. Got some fractions. 3 halves plus 5 halves I plus 5 thirds plus 11 thirds I. So I'm going to rewrite that in a different order. Put my like terms together. Sorry about that. So let me put 3 halves and 5 thirds together, and 5 halves I plus 11 thirds I. So now I'm going to follow the rules of adding fractions. Find a common denominator, which is sixths. So 3 halves is 9 sixths, 5 thirds is 10 sixths. And my i's also have the common denominator of sixths. So 5 halves is 15 sixths. 11 thirds is 22 sixths. So we end up with 19 sixths plus 37 sixths I. Number 29. This one's in decimal form. 1.6 plus 3.2i plus negative 5.8 plus 4.3i. So I want to combine my constants. 1.6 minus 5.8 and my variables. 3.2i, 2.2i plus 4.3i. So 1.6 plus negative 5.8 is 4.2. And we've got 3.2 plus 4.3, so that is, looks like 7.5i. And number 31. So here we've got to multiply a complex number. You're simply going to use the distributive property. We get 12 plus 20i. In number 35, got 4i times 8 plus 5i times I. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply 4i times I using the commutative property. So that's 4 times, well, I squared is negative 1. It's 8 plus 5i. So that I times I, that's where the negative 1 came from. And then, so that's negative 4. And we distribute Negative 32 minus 20i. Number 37. We've got, let's see, are they conjugates of each other? They're conjugates of each other. They're complex conjugates. So let's see what to do. Let's get a closer look. Square root of 14 plus square root of 10i. Square root of 14 minus square root of 10i. So 14 times 14 is 14 minus radical 10i plus radical 10i. Excuse me. And then 101 times negative 101 is negative 101. See, number 39. All right, that's right. What's next? Oh, and wouldn't you know it, we don't even have to, oh, that was 37. Okay, I thought I did one I didn't have to do. Number 43, let's write the complex conjugate, which is 4 minus 3i. And multiply the conjugate of the complex superior. There are multiple numbers, then multiply the number times its complete complex conjugate. Okay, I'm not sure what that means, but I guess we'll find out. So what I'm asking you to do, infinity goes here. I think I was looking at a different problem. So number 43 is actually multiply 4 plus 3i times its conjugate. So that's 4 minus 3i for those of you who are keeping along at home. So let's go ahead. Sorry, that's not a 9, that's a 3. 4 plus 3i and 4 minus 3i.